I recorded this video to share my experience with Selkirk Labs quality and warranty support. Approximately 6 months ago, I bought two Selkirk Labs Project 003 Invikta pedals. Both were ordered in January this year, 2 weeks apart. The pedal, which my son plays with, he is a stronger player than I am, shows sign of normal tear and wear. Some minor scuff marks, maybe a couple of very small chips. My pedal looks very different. Red paint started chipping within the first week and then it got progressively worse. The amount of chipping is different on two sides of the pedal. One has chipped more than the other, even though I do not choose which side of the pedal to play with. So here we go, two pedals, same age, one played by a weaker player, chipped much more than the other played by a stronger player, and one side of the heavily chipped pedal chipped more than its other side. This clearly points towards poor surface cleaning prior to paint application. Imagine you hired a painting contractor to paint your house, and paint started chipping soon after painting. Would you call the contractor and expect that they fix the issue under their warranty? Of course you would. What if the painter says, nope, it's not my problem, it is normal tear and wear. It doesn't matter that one wall chipped more than the other, it doesn't matter that it chipped only after a week, it is still your problem. Would you be happy? This is what Selkirk did. I contacted their customer service, explained the problem, and they refused to own this problem. Their representative replied that it is considered cosmetic, it is normal tear and wear, and they are not going to do anything about it. Let's see what their warranty covers. They do say that they do not cover normal wear and tear. However, in the very top, they say two things which I highlighted in red. Selkirk's promise of uncompromised quality and warranty against manufacturing defects. I do not see them standing behind these statements. It is clearly a manufacturing issue, not a regular tear and wear. It is poor surface preparation before application of paint, but they are not willing to admit it and own it. One would think that the most expensive pedal on the market should come with outstanding customer support. This is clearly not the case. They are not a company which truly stands behind their products. I like this pedal, and it is true that paint chipping doesn't impact playability. However, if you pay $333 for a pedal, you hope that it would last a reasonable time and would look nice during this time. The paint started chipping in the first week. I made a mistake of not returning the pedal to Selkirk right away. I hoped they stand behind their quality. Lesson learned.